Hey, so we are continuing the ChatGPT series. This time we're making cacao energy bites. Raw vegan, I asked ChatGPT, hey listen, I want something made with date sugar or dates and cacao. What do you got? So in here we've got cacao almond butter. We've got a organic sprouted almond butter. This company makes some great stuff. And we've got date sugar, shredded coconut, coconut oil, and we've got some Madagascar vanilla bean powder, salt, and we are going to mix it all up. We're going to roll it up, and then we are going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So there will be a separate video on the tasting, but I am pretty dang excited because I'd love to have something that I can just take out of the fridge, pop into my mouth. Let's go. Okay, so far I've tasted it and it's really good, but what happened was it seemed really dry and sort of separated. So I started adding a bit more almond butter and coconut oil, which was not a good idea. So then I had to dry it up with some more date sugar and coconut shreds. But it was drier, which is probably good, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to either roll these up or plop it onto this little tray, and then I will get them into the fridge. Well, here they are. Nobody said that they were going to look pretty because they sure don't. There's some parchment paper on there and they were definitely not the easiest to roll, but we're going to throw this into the fridge and we're probably going to taste it another day because I already had some cacao in my morning smoothie, but there they are. And I will also include below the link for my ChatGPT playlist, and let me know, what raw vegan recipes do you want me and ChatGPT to collab on? Maybe it's something unique, or maybe you have certain things that you avoid, food sensitivities, oil-free, etc. Let me know. Just got back from the farmer's market, so it's Saturday. We are going to finally taste these cacao bites. They look kind of funny. But let's hope they're good. Wow, the almond butter, really nice. Not very sweet, fudge-like, slightly brownie-like as well. I like how the sweetness doesn't overpower and you don't feel like it's coating your throat, as opposed to when I use the coconut nectar on the other ChatGPT sprouted walnut brownies that I made, which I'll link below. It's so much more subtle and it doesn't really feel like you're eating a treat. It's buttery. And again, that cacao really pops, so pretty darn cool. Let me know if this is something you would make, or if you have any other ideas of collabs I should be doing with the AI, with ChatGPT. Ciao.